Welcome to the birthplace of the Urban Cruiser Ebella. Let's see how it's built.
Our journey begins in the heart of automotive innovation. Decades of heritage distilled into one modern machine.
It starts here with high-strength steel.
Thousands of tons of pressure sculpt the form.
Robotic precision handles every panel.
Doors, roof, and fenders move in sync.
The body shop is a symphony of sparks.
Precise welds ensure structural integrity.
Sealants are applied for weather protection.
The skeleton is now complete and rigid.
Next, the body takes a dip in chemical baths. Electrodeposition coats every hidden corner.
Intense heat cures the protective layer. Robotic sprayers apply the primer.
Human hands inspect and smooth the surface.
The signature color brings it to life. A clear coat adds depth and gloss. Painted perfection, ready for assembly.
Meanwhile, the heart of the Ebella is built.
The crankshaft converts motion into power.
Engine meets transmission.
Strict quality checks on the powertrain.
The powertrain is lifted for installation.
The iconic body marriage moment.
Suspension is mounted for a smooth ride. Wiring and brake lines are connected.
The exhaust system is routed.
Wheels are torqued to specification. It rolls on its own wheels now.
The doors reunite with the body. Electrical connections for door controls. The windshield is sealed for safety. Rear glass is installed, lighting the way forward and back.
The face of the Ebella takes shape.
Rear styling elements are fitted.
Vital fluids are injected. Electronics and systems are activated.
Precision laser wheel alignment.
Headlights are calibrated for the road.
Joining the fleet of ready vehicles.
Agile handling for city corners.
Smooth power delivery.
Suspension absorbs the bumps.
Style that stands out anywhere.
Signature LED lighting. Clean and efficient performance.
Connected technology at your fingertips.
Alloy wheels complement the design. Easy access for all passengers.
Versatile cargo space for your lifestyle.
Safety for the whole family.
A quiet, refined cabin experience. The symbol of reliability.
A premium presence.
Ventilated discs for cooling.
Clear visibility in any weather.
Flexible seating arrangements.
Easy access for refueling. Electric folding mirrors.
Grip that inspires confidence.
High ground clearance helps.
Push-button start convenience.
Coming home to the Ebella.
Ready for adventure accessories.
Parking sensors and camera assist.
Premium soft touch materials.
Safety first, always.
Solid build quality.
Smart entry and start.
Thoughtful storage solutions.
Torquey performance for hills.
Controls at your fingertips.
Built by dedicated people. the Toyota Urban Cruiser Ebella.
Ready for the global market.
Massive scale of production.
A job well done.
Your adventure awaits.
Toyota.